Have you ever placed your meal inside the microwave, pressed start, watched the turntable spin, and heard the familiar hum, only to discover your food remains stubbornly cold after the timer goes off? It is a frustrating experience that points to a specific issue within your appliance. Yes, absolutely, a broken diode can prevent your microwave from heating food. This small but mighty component is crucial for the microwave's ability to generate the waves that cook your meals, and if it fails, your appliance will simply not heat. The reason lies in the microwave's internal high-voltage circuit, where the diode plays a critical role in converting electricity. Microwaves use a magnetron tube to produce the electromagnetic waves that warm your food. For the magnetron to operate correctly, it needs a very high direct current voltage. Your home's wall outlet provides alternating current, so the diode, working alongside a capacitor and a transformer, acts as a rectifier, transforming that alternating current into the high direct current required by the magnetron. If this diode breaks, the magnetron cannot receive adequate power, and consequently, it cannot produce microwaves to heat anything. While the symptoms of a broken diode, such as the microwave running but not heating, are easy to spot, troubleshooting this component specifically requires caution. You might also notice a loud buzzing sound or a burning smell if the diode has failed. However, due to the extremely high voltage stored in the microwave's capacitor even when unplugged, directly testing or replacing a diode is incredibly dangerous and should only be performed by a certified appliance technician. Your main action is to recognize these signs and know that professional help is needed. This high-voltage circuit is where the real magic and potential danger of a microwave resides. The magnetron itself can draw up to 4,000 volts, making the diode's function as a one-way valve for electricity essential for safety and performance. Understanding the purpose of this tiny component helps illustrate the complex electrical dance happening inside your appliance to deliver a hot meal. Ultimately, if your microwave is turning on and appearing to work but not heating food, a faulty diode is a very strong suspect. Knowing this allows you to efficiently describe the problem to a repair professional, avoiding unnecessary guesswork and getting your microwave back in working order safely and effectively.